The excitement surrounding the iPhone 17 is growing, and the latest rumors suggest Apple is preparing a bold redesign. Apple has kept the same basic design for its iPhones for years, but it seems they are finally ready to give the iPhone 17 a fresh new look. A recent leak originating from Chinese tipster Focus Digital and reported by McRumors reveals that Apple could be adopting a new manufacturing technique to reshape the iPhone's structure in a significant way. This new technique, known as splicing, is expected to change how Apple combines different materials, such as the glass back and the frame. The rumor suggests that the point where the back of the phone and the frame meet will no longer have a sharp step, but instead a smooth, flowing transition. The back of the device will blend seamlessly into the frame, giving it a sleeker, more polished look. This might seem like a small change, but it could improve both the phone's appearance and its comfort level in your hand. If this redesign happens, the new iPhone 17 will likely have a much smoother, more ergonomic feel. The sharper edges that have defined previous iPhone models could be replaced with a gentler curve, making the phone easier to grip and hold. It might be a subtle change, but for those who use their iPhone regularly, it could make a big difference in the overall experience. While this design change is exciting, it's still unclear whether it will be applied to all iPhone 17 models or just the standard versions. There are also other rumors circulating about what changes Apple might bring to the iPhone 17 Pro. Reports suggest that the Pro version could feature an aluminum frame instead of titanium, a horizontal camera bump for a more streamlined look, and a hybrid design that combines glass and aluminum for the back. Additionally, the dynamic island, which was introduced with the iPhone 14, might be reduced in size for a cleaner, less cluttered front display. Apple's design strategy has remained relatively consistent for years, but the iPhone 16 Pro's underwhelming sales have pushed the company to consider a major redesign. Consumers are clearly ready for something new, and Apple might be responding by making bold changes. A complete redesign could be just what Apple needs to reignite interest in its flagship product and boost sales, especially with fierce competition from other smartphone brands. Of course, while these rumors are exciting, we won't see iPhone 17 until at least September. Apple's official announcement is still months away, and until then, speculation about the device will continue. One of the biggest questions still up in the air is the future of the iPhone 17 Plus. Some reports suggest that Apple might replace it with a new model, potentially named the iPhone 17 Air or iPhone 17 Slim. These models could be thinner and lighter, but still feature high-end features like a 120 Hz refresh rate across the entire lineup. Apple's commitment to innovation is one of the reasons its products remain so popular, and the iPhone 17 is expected to follow that tradition. If the rumored changes turn out to be true, the new iPhone could be the most significant update we've seen in years. Whether it's the smooth integration of materials, the potential for a new slim design, or other exciting features, Apple is looking to make the iPhone 17 stand out in a crowded market. While we can't be certain about all the details just yet, it's clear that the iPhone 17 will be one to watch. So if you're as eager as we are to learn more about this next-generation device, stay tuned to our channel. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates on the iPhone 17. We'll be bringing you the most accurate and exciting news as it happens, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with the 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12 GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16 GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8 GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.